At Oklahoma City University School of Theater, we train the next generation of professional storytellers. The School of Theater finds passionate student artists and turns them into passionate working professionals.
Because of OCU, I feel like I have a whole bunch of tools in my toolbox right now that I never expected that I would ever have.
I am a better storyteller because of OCU, because it changed the way that I look at the world.
No matter what stories you want to tell, we can help you tell them better.
My training at OCU has made me a better storyteller because I think that it's made me believe that I am a storyteller and didn't really step into understanding the role that I play in storytelling and how cues can drive action and the way that the stage manager becomes an integral part in how the show functions. And that ultimately impacts the storytelling of what it is that we're doing.
The tools that they give you here really allows you to just be able to even pick up different styles that you may not have learned here or may not be familiar with later on, because then you have the tools, the very big foundation in your body and in your craft to be able to pick up things that you might not even be familiar with.
I think I'm a better storyteller because I'm me. Before I was a lot about what has someone else done? What does someone else want me to do? But now it's, what do I bring that someone else doesn't bring to this character? Why is it me? And how can I share my artistry?
Small class sizes and the blending of in-class instruction and practical application prepare all our students to tell their stories at the highest level in the real world.
But then coming here and having so much space and being able to talk to people about it and just sharing the experience
with people that are as passionate as I am has just been incredible.
Oklahoma City University School of Theater. Have we got a story for you?